Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm battling in. How many Pokemon does he have? This time it's just one? Okay. Oh. I'm no longer scared. He just sent out a Delibird. Delibird is flying though, so I can't hit it with Bulldoze, which is sad.
What base power is Bulldoze?
I don't remember how you can check in battle. Once I finish the battle, I'll tell you. Well, apparently I was scared for nothing. Oh, what's Charon's? Right, first... Okay. Okay, level 14 is the level cap.
Okay.
So yeah, I just finished the end battle and cutscene, so...
I'm in the middle of Getsis's rant.
Bulldoze is a base 60 power.
That's crazy.
Accurate, and Donphan has a base 120 attack. Yeah, I'm kind of happy I picked Donphan. Yeah, I'm walking on to the next route, but I won't try to get my encounter here until after you actually are able to get here.
Alright, I'm fighting N.
Okay, what's he got?
Let's see. You got a Lotad.
Okay. I was
I'll
waiting
be
for
fine.
one of us in like the first 4 or 5 battles pick. They have a Giratina. You know, if I went against a Giratina right now, I would legitimately lose because I wouldn't be able to hit it.
I'm tempted to send in Stinky to the Lotad, but Stinky's still only a level 2 and the Lotad's a level 6.
I would.
We're gonna.
It's good to have.
We'll
Death
train him up
Fodder.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
While I'm waiting for you, I'm gonna go train up Stinky on the first route.
Having wing attack this early in the game is cheat code.
I know.
Well, yeah, with you and Bulldoze too.
Oh my god, no. Oh no. There's level 4 superior on my screen. I can't switch Donphan into this.
Oh no.
Okay. I might immediately lose a Pokemon. Let's...
How do I get in? Do you know what key it is to get into your Pokedex?
Oh wait,
And
never
I want
mind.
to
Vine
switch
Whip
my
did
coughing
2
in.
damage to me. How is this superior this bad?
Oh, it's V.
Okay. I now have a level 4, level 5 Stinky. So I think you and I will probably do most of our training off screen, just because training is after we get out of these.
We'll try to
routes.
do like every single trainer at the same time, but
yeah, or at least close to it. Have you gotten the running shoes yet?
no, I just entered Route 2.
Okay, I will go catch up with you.
Are you supposed to get the shoes before Route 2?
You take a step or two onto Route 2, and then a cutscene triggers where you get the running shoes.
Okay.
And then I went and did one fight back in the Route 1. I don't remember if this girl, like, right in front is a trainer battle or not. Okay, just let me know when you're ready for the encounter. We'll try to sync these up best as we can.
Alright. Route 2 encounter. Let's go.
Okay, I'm getting to it now. Give me something catchable. You know?
Oh.
What'd you get?
Combuskin.
Ooh, I don't know if that's good or bad. I got a Celio.
Okay, that's not bad.
And I
solid
caught
water
Pokeball.
type.
Yeah, is it primary water or ice?
I think it's water.
It's ice. It's primary ice.
Oh.
I think that's even better because it still lets us have a water type.
Yeah.
What should we nickname them?
Icy hot.
Are you gonna spell icy like I-C-Y?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, this is why you're here, because I'm not creative enough.
The last two have been like a walk in the park.
Are you struggling to catch it?
Yeah, I only have 2 Pokeballs left.
Oh no.
Which is weird because it's poisoned. It shouldn't be that bad.
Yeah, but it's a starter.
Come on.
Please, I like Celio a lot. Catch it.
No! I have 1 ball left.
Do you have any moves that let you, like, stall turns till it's, like, at the last possible turn? Just let poison...
I have poison gas and I have tackle. And I really don't want to tackle him. Okay, well, I'm a level 2. It shouldn't, even with a crit, it shouldn't kill him.
Yeah, because
right?
I think if you let it get down to red, or even, like, switch around your Pokemon...
Oh... Combuskin finally used an actual attack move.
Is it alive?
It took most of my health.
I would...
If that would have crit, I would have been dead.
Are you safe to switch, or is this the turn you have to throw the Pokeball?
Oh, I can switch.
Also, don't forget to change in the options to switch battle style.
Think.
Or set.
I said I haven't had to fight 2 Pokemon, but yeah, I will.
I don't want to start training up Celio because I'm afraid you're about to just lose the encounter.
Don't get too attached.
Huh, Dragonair. Oh no. Oh, this could be really bad. Please don't have Dragon Rage.
He's poisoned and he's in the red. This has gotta work, right?
If it doesn't, I'm going to be sad.
No!
So, do I have to release Celio?
I guess so.
You failed the encounter?
Yeah.
That's so sad. Okay, let me get out of this battle, and that's really unfortunate. I'm gonna go put a failed encounters box so I can make fun of you at the end of the game. That seems like a reasonable course of action to take.
Yeah.
I would spend a little bit of time switch training coughing in this grass.
Yeah.
Because we might be able to do the gym today.
I think I'm gonna go to bed here at like 11:30.
Okay, so then we have about 5 or 6 minutes after this.
Yeah.
I can't believe I already have to let go of Icy Hot.
That was such a nice encounter too.
I know. Well, the moment you said Combuskin, I'm like, do not forget to buy Pokeballs.
I will not.
I don't know if we can get any more encounters before the first gym, which kind of scares me, but we'll burn that bridge when we get there.
Yeah.
Did I heal? No, I should probably go heal. Also, remember, if you think a Pokemon would know like Dragon Rage or Boom Burst, look it up and get out of there. Okay. Yeah, at least we're early enough in where we weren't like banking on that. We still have plenty of encounters.
Yeah. As long as we don't wipe to the first gym.
Yeah.
That's all I'm asking. What is the first gym again?
It's Saffron City. It's the one that in normal Black and White is brutal because you don't have anything. It's always strong against your starter.
Well, it's randomized. I don't know why I'm asking.
Yeah,
the question.
so you'll have 2 Pokemon. Oh my god, kill me now. This Litwick has used Minimize twice. I might just run from this battle. Oh, never mind. I hit Bulldoze, even though it's at -4 evasion. Or +4 evasion. That was not worth the XP. Okay. I think I'm about to get to the first trainer battle. I got away safely. Okay, I'm facing the first youngster.
Okay.
Please don't have something dumb.
I'm just gonna
Deal
run
with
from
the
this battle.
Durant's doable.
Oh yeah.
Especially since I have a Dawn fan.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for a legendary to come and ruin one of our lives.
The thing is with legendaries is that they usually don't have any good moveset.
Right? One of us will get hit with a Garchomp with Dragon Rage.
Except for that, yeah.
Oh, dark coverage already? I just got knockoff.
Spending my life savings on Pokeballs.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea. I'm gonna try to make it to the next city just to make sure I don't accidentally get Donphan over leveled and make him illegal for the gym, because that would be really bad.
It would be so sad.
Because my backup is a Sentret. Just let me escape. Okay, thank you. Lance, are you someone who uses repels, or do you just soldier through?
No, I'll probably usually use a repel.
Is this a trainer battle? I hope not. Okay, so Lance, when you finish Route 2, there is a rival battle. Right before you get to the city. And she has 2 Pokemon. So, be prepared for that, because I found that out the hard way. Actually, I don't know if you'll have time to do that trainer battle. Depending on how far you are. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna run from the Wailord. Look.
My best move to hit this Bronzor with.
Bro.
Is... How's it going?
Alright. I like walk one step in the grass and I get another Pokemon. And I get through.
Okay, I'm in kind of a sketchy spot. I can't stay in on the Honchkrow. Oh no. I switched and got hit with Pursuit. And it did a third of my remaining health, and I got really scared.
Get out of there.
Okay, how much much damage is going to be essential. It
Oh,
just
no.
hit
Oh, no.
a crit.
Oh no.
I'm at 4 HP. I can't switch because it has Pursuit. Okay, don't crit again. Okay, so wait. That did 10 HP of damage. I can take another one with the quick attack. As long as I don't get crit.
Oh.
What? What's wrong?
No.
Use your words.
Wailord just murked my Aerodactyl.
Is it dead?
Yes.
Please tell me there's another encounter before the next gym. Because that means my Dawn fan is dead and all I have is a Sentret now. Oh, well,
Just need to
we
get
just
out of this
lost.
grass.
No, we lost.
Why?
I just got hit with the wing attack and it killed Sentret.
Oh, so we're dead. We're just dead.
We just lost.
Okay.
Well, that was fun.
Oh, and then the random trainer battle right after is the Geneset. So I was dead anyways.
Okay. Well, that was fun.
Oh. A great first attempt.
I know.
Apparently, crit rollout is very scary.
Okay, so, that's all. I don't know if this footage will ever see the light of day, but I'm saving my game. It's about time to wrap up, so thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed. When we come back, we'll be trying again.
All right, there we go.